Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The US Justice Department said it had evidence that classified documents were deliberately concealed from the FBI when it tried to retrieve them in June from former President Donald Trump's Florida estate, prompting its unprecedented search of his home. In a 54-page filing proceedings and Tuesday laid out their evidence of obstructions of justice, alleging published for the first time that Trump aides both falsely certified in June that the former president had returned all the government recorders he had stored in his home after leaving the White House in January 2021. It also revealed that Trump lawyers explicitly prohibited government personnel from opening or looking inside any of the boxes inside a strange room when FBI agents first traveled to his Palm Beach, Mar-a-Lago resort in June to retrieve the record. The government also developed and remedy from the strong room and that effort for likely taken to obstruct the government investigation, the department said in filing in U.S. District Court in the Southern District of the Florida. It released a photography of some of the records found inside Trump's home, of which refer to clandestine human sources. The Justice Department's filing comes ahead of a Thursday court hearing before U.S. District Judge Elaine Cannon in Just Palm Beach, many of which are labeled as classed third party. The sensitive case to review material potential covered by attorney-client privilege to ensure investigation do not improperly view them. A special master was appointed for instead in the search of the homes and offices of two of Trump's former attorneys, Rudy Giuliani and Michael Cohen. In Trump's initial request to the courts, his attorneys claiming that the former president wanted to protect material that were subject which can silence presidential communication. Legal experts called that argument into question, saying it was illogical for a former president to claim he wanted to assert executive privilege against the executive branch itself. Trump's legal team later narrowed its request, asking for a privilege review without explicitly from referring to executive privilege. The Justice Department on Thursday said it opposed the appointment of a special master. Trump prosecution's arguments, largest standing in the case because the record does not belong to him. The August 8 searching of Trump's home was a significant escalation of one of several federal and state investigations Trump is facing. In a federal affidavit underpinning the search release published by the department last week, an unidentified FBI agent said the agency revived unidentified documents bearing classification markers after Trump in January returned 5 boxes of government records sought by the U.S. National Archives. After the National Archives discovered the classified material, some of which pertained to intelligence gathering. In clandestine human search, it reported at mother to the FBI. The Justice Department said on Tuesday it tried months of time to get all the records back. Okay, I think that's for me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.